Hi guys, my name is Rohit. Today in this video we are going to see uh, there are in characters below there is some bars, right? Blue color bars with four different symbols. It has a bars. We're gonna see that, and I'm gonna explain you very easy as much I can possible, and you can get an idea to take which legend you want to practice with more and play with more, and you want to make one particular legend as your main. So let's get into this to offline training. So okay, as you can see here, the first legend which I'm selected, you see my under my legend there is four bars, right? Four different symbols, and it has a different bars. So the first one shows sword. That means your strength in the sense it's not your life about. Strength means how powerful is your attack. So if you take any other legend, if you take Orion, you see that first one, there is few bar is low there. So his attack is little bit reduced, but you see the different bars got Orion plus. So I will explain you that. So the first one is strength. The second one is that shield symbol you've seen, right? The shield symbol, which means it is your protection, defense. Defense means if any other your opponent players attacking on you, so how much defense you have, you take less damage only. Depends upon your defense bar. So for example, how do I say this legend bar defense is how many 5 bars. Okay, so I'm gonna show you as an example. So I'm gonna show you Ember's defense now. Ember has only 3 bar defense. If any player attacks you, any player attacks Ember get damage very soon. His life bar will be orange very easy. It becomes very orange easily, and it becomes red easily. So that shield defense means it's your life. It is about your life. Opponents, when they attack on you, how much easily your life get damaged, easily get red or orange. That is called defense. And the third one is you see one sword symbol with one extra symbol on that sword on the top, right? So that is called dexterity. Dexterity means it is your attack speed. If any attack you use, any signature move you use, how within how few seconds it will get recover. It will how speed is your attack. It's basically how speed is your attack. So Orion has a good, and this legend has a good. I will show some other. If you take Queen Eye, okay, see Queen Eye dexterity is only 4 bar. Look, Mirage bar is like a 6, man. Mirage dexterity is 6. Good actually. Oh my god, look at him, Yumiko, man. Yumiko's dexterity is like what, 7? Yeah, 7 dexterity bars. So it's like it is about your attack speed, how fast you get refresh and attack again. It's not about attack damage, it's about attack speed. The last one, the one guy is running symbol, right? That is called speed, as you know. So speed, which means like how fast your character moves. That's all. It's not about your attack speed or anything. It is about only your running, going this side and that side. Your speed of your legend. That's all. Queen Eye. You see Queen Eye. You should have to increase your 1 bar. You have to take 1 bar from any of these other bar, and you have to keep it on speed. I will show you. So speed is less on Queen Eye, right? So I'm gonna select Queen Eye now. So you see the last bar. So this is where you can add up your bar and decrease your bar from different of these 4 categories. So basically, to unlock this in training, it is all unlocked. It got unlocked when you make it as your any legend you want to play, right? You have to play with them more, and then only it will get unlocked. It will not be available for any characters. You should have to unlock on your own. by playing more. So basically this is a base one. Okay, I next one is a guy running, so which means it will increase one bar. You see that bar, and you see that this changing thing, this where I'm selected. You see, she got one more speed extra bar, so she will be much speeder than before. So that's how it is. This is a dexterity. This one is our attack speed. You can increase. This is your strength, and this is your defense. So basically I would say for Queena you can go for speed only, because that's what her his lowest bar she got. So whatever you're going to select any legend, so increase which bar is low, increase on that only. If you ask me Ember, I would say increase the defense, because he will get he will get attack damage very much, and there are high possibility to die. But the thing is, Ember got good defense, good dexterity, and a good speed. All these other threes are very strong. So if you're good with Ember means you can literally play very good, very much. You cannot even allow the enemy to come near to you. It's very good. I used to play with Ember very earlier, very good, and it needs practice on it to do certain combos and all this thing. So I'm actually making a spear combo. It will be on further video. Hereafter I'm not going to make any videos on basic things to understand. I think I mostly cover. If anything left, I will make it on future. So about the spear combo or any other weapon combo, so now I'm collecting different weapons has been requested: scythe, cannon, and gauntlet, and a few more other weapons also. So please give me some time. I will make it as soon as possible. Only thing you have to do, subscribe and like this video, and yeah, you have to do that's all only, nothing much else. And let's try to hit 20 likes in this video if you get to know something, or realize something about this new thing. And see you on next another video very soon with combo video. See ya.